Welcome back to Wealthwise, established 2025. Please smash that like button, subscribe, and notification bell. Don't have a schedule yet, so you want to keep up with the videos, you need to hit the notification bell because it will notify you the uploading live in half an hour, 20 minutes of that notification. Welcome back. Please smash that like. So want to get as many likes as possible, would be fantastic, and as many views as possible. Let's get this content out there. Free education on how to trade this market, how to make money, and how to move forward. I've learned from the 3 best traders in the world. I've brought all of their knowledge into one, and so far it's been going exceptionally well. You'd be very pleased to know. All right, let's move on. Right, so let's have a look at Bitcoin. Plan A kind of came into fruition. If you remember, we had liquidation levels here down to the 100K mark, just under the 100K mark, and it wicked through it just over here. That liquidation levels, all those billions of dollars have been taken. All that's left down there is a few hundred million, not much at all. And now we have pumped straight back up. So it hasn't quite got down to these levels yet, so I'm thinking they're probably going to build liquidity under here and maybe be extended down to these levels here and increase and get people to FOMO into some longs. Really what they want to do, in my opinion, like I've always said, they want to make moves as high up as possible. So they want to build liquidity above price more than they want to build liquidity below at the moment, and that's in my opinion. Obviously, liquidation levels all the way down the bottom here are old liquidity that they're going to come hunting for when the bear market kicks in and everybody's all excited, we're millionaires, blah blah blah, and then they lose it all. That's just how the market works. So you have to learn and listen and figure out how to trade the market and what the market actually gives you. So as it looks, we might take some more of this liquidity here. There's billions sitting here, and I'm talking about billions. Not much down here anymore, so I'm guessing we want to build some liquidity here. Like I said, let's take this liquidation levels out. So I'm still sticking with plan A. It's come down, taking those levels. Hasn't come all the way down here. I'm not perfect. I can only go with possibilities. But we're moving back up again sooner rather than later. Let's go over the trades that we have been doing together. If you followed me, the trades, you have to keep up with them. Telegram link in the description below. Everything goes in there, what I'm doing as I'm updating it. Every time I change my trade, close my trade, new entry hits, where I'm changing my entries again, I update you. It's all in the Telegram group, link description below under the trades section. This is the SPX trade. I've closed 2 trades completely. I'm not trading UXLink anymore, and I'm not, I think it's just UXLink, sorry. Not trading UXLink anymore. BTC trade. Took profits at the 100K mark. I was happy with that. That's closed. That's short. And I'll re-enter that when it goes up to the levels again. Takes out the liquidity, and then I'll definitely be going back in for the short trade. So this is SPX. Opened a long back here last week Friday, and I've taken a short here. Taking the short here as it closed below my indicator. Love indicator. And I re-entered, so it's brought the entry back here. So as you can see for the number 2, shorts have had 2 entries. This long has now had 2 entries. I've closed some trades. I've opened the trades. This is how you trade, okay? Keep it in the green. So at the moment, our long trade is in nice profits. It already took out the 150% return at the half margin level. I've kept it as a 2 because it's taken the money back. And the reason I've kept it as a 2 because of the margin is double the margin I would have had on 1% of my funds. That's how you trade, people. That's how you trade. A quick look at Blowfin. There's a competition going on at the moment. If you would like to be part of this competition, I'll have a look at this. Do the scan the QR code. I'm going to put this in the Telegram group. So if people want to join this, we could all go into this together. I don't know what's doing on there. I don't want to do it on there. I'm going to copy a link and stick it in my Telegram group separately. You won't be able to see this on here because it's on a different window. Let's join this group. Let's join the trades, the trading competition. I think, if you want to do this, join a Telegram group, come and join us. I think it would be great fun, in my opinion. Or scan the QR code and join us. I might actually copy this and put it on my Twitter page, Twitter link in the description below as well. We can make some money together if you want to get in on this. We don't have a team yet, but if you want to, you just copy my trades if you wish, and you'll be up there alongside with me. Right, so back to SPX. Oh, maybe I should show you the trades. I'll show you them in a minute. So SPX is what I've done with that. Hype, I'm keeping the hype because these are the two tokens, in my opinion, that has got great, fantastic volume. Trading them has been great. I've made some good money off of the back of these two, slowly but surely making good money on a weekly basis. And this is how you trade, everybody. It's just mind blowing. I mean, look at this. This long is going towards, I've got 3 entries on this long. Remember, I had this long going all the way back here with 3 entries in it now, and waiting for it to hit the 150% mark on 20x leverage to get in on, to take that half the margin back, which means pretty much money back plus profits on what the margin is. So that's how I'm trading it. 2 entries on the short, and then the next third entry is set up here, which is above this level of resistance here, which is probably where people have got their stop losses, because remember they hunt the stop losses, and then the next entry would be up here if it doesn't come back down again. But as you can see, my entries are so close together that if it hits up here, the entry for the short's going to be up here. I mean, how amazing would that be? It would be pretty much in the green going both ways. Liquidation level, who cares about those, because they are miles away. And that's how you trade. Also happening with the US 500, that started to boost back up again, but that's fine. Like I said, I don't care. I'll re-enter if I have to up here and move my entry up here. So you chase the trades, eventually they come down and they do give you profits, and that's how you work this out. That's how you work it, really, quite frankly. Silver's still, it's all right. It's had a couple of days, a couple of weeks on the pullback, but that's fine. I'm bullish on silver. Silver is quite bullish. I'm quite happy with that. If you look at gold, silver is likely to go in the same direction. Palladium, the same. Nice little boost up this week. Recovered. Almost got above the last wick, but that's fine. I'm aiming for the areas up here to take some profits and just hold this trade because it's got a long way to go. China Automotive Systems starting to get a little bit slower on the weekly trades. That's fine. My aim is to take profits up here and to take profits up at the $9 range. Ultimate resistance. I spoke about this the other day. Meta Planet. Yeah, it's pretty much, let's go back onto the daily on this one to get a better picture. Yeah, it's not complete. It hasn't taken out this gap here. It's pretty much, you could say, closed the gap here, but then created a gap here. So there's still gaps. It might recover it, take this gap here, and then come back down. If it retests this area on the daily, then I'll long it. I will long it. So it hasn't completely gone all the way up. Because remember, I started it from here. Hasn't fully completed the move, but that's fine. But it is pretty much going in the direction that I believed it was going to. I was going to short it here, but I'm not going to short it now unless it comes back up here and clears it. Then I'll put the short in. If it comes down here and retests this down sweeping trend line, then I would happily long it from here. Although it's bounced off the indicator, I want to see how this ends by the week. That's how you do it. Microsoft, we've been watching this. I'm going to go back to the weekly chart. Let's get a better overview. So it's quite a bullish week for Microsoft. Like I said, I'm not looking to short this until it comes up to this top of the chart, top of the bullish channel. And this is obviously support at the moment now. As it's come back, it's kind of, you could say it's retested it here this week and it's bounced back off. So this area here, I'm going to look at as a support level. And up here, probably look at shorting it from this area here, which is that $516 area. I'll wait for it to happen. I'll tell you in the Telegram group, link in the description below, when I take that trade. Now, NVIDIA, I told you I was going to take it too early here. I'm going to wait for it to hit up to resistance line here, $152.70. And I definitely will be shorting this baby all the way down, looking at taking profits at closing a trade around the $90 mark. So keep an eye out for that one. So that's what I'm looking at with regards to those. Any forexes, just keeping an eye. I'm not really trading them at the moment. It got Great British Pound against the Euro is quite bullish, and the US dollar against the Japan yen, it's weak. It is weak, definitely. If I was to take a trade, I'd probably short this down, but I'm not doing it at the moment. Let's go back to Blowfin. I will show you the future. Oh, not that one. Wrong one. That one. No, don't want to get off. Go away. Oh, interesting. Please just no, go away. I don't want to see that. Please. Ugh, it's so annoying. I hate this. Come on, get off. Ugh, so annoying. Anyway, Blowfin, as you can see, the trade's down here. Minus 130% on hype short. That's fine. Like I told you, I'm chasing that. Minus 414% on the SPX short. Liquidation $16.77. Current price $1.32. There's no chance it's going to get up there before we re-enter, chase the trade, and take some profits when it comes back into the green. SPX long 330% up, and the hype long 87% up. Tell me, where in this world can you make this kind of returns? Absolutely nowhere. Absolutely nowhere. Let's see if I can get rid of that. Oh, copy trading. Oh. If I set up a copy trade, will you follow me? Will you? Would you like to follow me on a copy trade account? Oh, go away. Oh, no. Oh, didn't mean to do that either. Oh, this is so annoying. Let's go back. Right, here we are. Let's just get rid of that notification. It's really annoying me now. Go away. Thank you. So annoying. When it does that, it just stays and just doesn't go away. It's like, I want you to say yes. All right. So P&L here, I'm not interested in that. Realize P&L, just ignore that. This is what I look at because that will be my return when I close this beautiful trade. So as you can see, as I said, I'm only trading 2 tokens now as they've got the most volume. I'm very happy with those. Trading 212 account, as explained. Robinhood down some money, but I've got another entry I've put in on Robinhood actually, which is up here now. That's going to be my next entry. I've got 3 running at the moment. 3 entries in at the moment, as you can see clearly here. I didn't show you the entries on here, but it does on my app. This is fine. So average entry. Oh, there you go. There's your entries. 1, 2, and 3, and then the third one is up there where I've showed you is a limit order. Okay, as you can see, they are all the trades, and this is my average entry is here. All right, I'm happy with that. I'm just waiting for it to make its move. What's happening in the news? Obviously, oil sinks as traders bet Iran's attack in Qatar will lead to de-escalation. That's a new thing on the Financial Times. Let's refresh to make sure that's definitely new. Yep, that is definitely new. I knew about that earlier in the morning. So, you know, crude price swings in volatile trading after Israel warns of new missile fire from Iran. So talking about, if you heard Donald Trump saying the ceasefire, then it didn't quite happen because some missiles just went a little bit on their own. Why would missiles go out on their own? This is so silly. Emerging markets defy investor gloom to outside developed world. Listen, I've told you many times before, you know, this appears to be bearish news. Drop the market at the week beginning, which is what they've done. They've done a week beginning trade. I will show you. Which one I want to do? Binance, Bybits, Binance. The longs and shorts. Binance. Let's look at the 1-day chart. So where are we? So Sunday, they dropped it all the way through in the early hours. This was your fake move to take out the weekend traders who were all long, took out their stops, and then off it went. See that? And now if you look at it on 12 hours, see here? They took it out on Sunday. Now, market makers don't work that time of the day. No, but that's when the candle opened. Let's go down to the 4-hour chart. 4 o'clock in the afternoon. They started this trade to take out liquidity a bit earlier. Now, at the weekend, they have an AI robot pushing the market, trapping you, taking you out when you least expect it. So even though the market makers come on duty, 5 p.m. on New York time, which is around 9 p.m. On UK time, around that time. Even though that happens, the AI robot's doing its thing. I'll show you a video on it, but I don't have the video on it, but it does do its thing. And now look at it. There's your fake move. Still faking you out, bringing you down, wicking you out, and then off it goes. Boom. That's the 4-hour chart. Let's go down to the hourly chart. See it a bit more clearly. They started it here, 1 o'clock. Boom, boom, boom. Market makers on duty. And then up. Fake down a little bit more just to get you a little bit worried. And then boom. Thank you very much. They took out so much liquidity down here. It's ridiculous. Off they went. And here we are. Above the indicator on the hourly chart. Amazing. I love this TA. I love how the markets work. It's just absolutely brilliant. Right, crypto world. What tariffs will and won't change for US Bitcoin miners? I don't care. They just mine. Look at the amount of money that Bitcoin is worth right now. If they just keep mining, they're making. As gangsters say in the UK, they're making bare money, innit? Bare money. They are making so much money. It's ridiculous. They're gonna keep mining. The war doesn't matter. Tariffs don't matter. Bitcoin pays off for them, so they don't care. What else do we have? Pissing off both sides, beat pulls art of politics. I'll ignore that. Latest crypto news. Filecoin surges 14% as crypto continues gains on Middle East ceasefire. Litecoin is climbing on here. A lot of these little news here. If you see this, say, oh, they've got to get people to FOMO into this. This is kind of like trying to get people to buy, and then they will dump you. Simple as that. I wouldn't be buying any of these now if I were you. So already pumping, you'll probably be giving your money to those who've already bought earlier on, and they'll sell it right on your face. There you go. I think that's it, really. I think there's nothing really more to say other than look out for the midweek reversal. What are we looking at midweek reversal wise? Just give an idea. So look, on the daily midweek reversal normally happens around on the hourly candles. So I've got here a W, up we go. This would say on the hourly move number 1, move number 2, there'll be a third move, and then probably come up, take some of that liquidity that's sitting above there. Probably over halfway, because there's still a lot of liquidity sitting here. Build a little bit more to push up a little bit more to get more money up here to make it worthwhile, get people FOMOing in, build some shorts, bring it down, build some liquidity here, which is probably already doing from here. I'll check the liquidation levels and I'll be adding it to the chart in the Telegram group. So yeah, remember that. This all happens and a weekend trap will find its way in. Just look out for that. Remember my first video, if you took this trade, look at this. I just amazed at myself. All right, I'm going to leave it there because my food has now come. I've ordered a nice curry. I'm going to leave it there. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you're enjoying these trades. If you want to get on the trades, join a Telegram group. I share it in there. Everything I'm doing, buying shorts, long in, changing them, where my entries are, where my take profits are. when I'm taking profits, when I'm overly closing it. We'll leave it there. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great evening. I probably won't do a video at the end of the week. If you want to keep up with stuff, join a Telegram group, link in the description below. Smash that like, hit the subscribe and notification bell, because I send things out. You know, I haven't got a specific show time at the moment, but as I get more viewers, as I get more followers, then I'll probably start to make things a little bit more schedule wise. So I'll leave it there. Thank you so much for watching. See you all in the next video. Take care for now. Don't forget, please smash that like. Bye bye.